Hey, sixth grader, sorry about that. The video kind of cut out. I only have 15 minutes for this program that I'm using, and then it just stops. So we finished our lesson, but I just wanted to make sure you guys were all good to go. And your homework is going to be page 320, 11 to 26 all. Make sure you see the all. I set up a Google form for you. So again, if you could just make sure that you have your work done on a separate piece of paper, because most likely on Monday when we have our next lesson, I'll probably go over a problem or two. And that way you can refer to it, okay? And then you can also refer to it once we have our assessment at some point. I think it's going to be next Wednesday. So I'm just going to kind of see how you guys do and then decide when to do an assessment. So just make sure you're being very thorough. And that is it. This is a nice short minute video. All right, take care.